All right, anyone doing Microsoft Word assignments in Teams right here, all you have to do is you're going to see in here, you're going to see the instructions for taking this class. It's right here. You're going to see this thing mainly, the access code, okay? That's what you're going to need when you go to gmetrix.net. You're going to sign in. You're going to sign up here, then you're going to sign in. After you have signed in, you're going to go to Start New Test right here. Start a new test. You're going to go to Office 2019. After that, you go to Word. Once you're in Word, by the way, once you're in Word, you go to Training Mode. This here, I'm sorry, excuse me, pardon me, sorry. If you're working from home, you're doing this. You're going into Word, and you're doing Concept Review. Concept Review is a multiple choice test. It doesn't require a download. This requires a download. If you can download this, I will count each of these exams as 2 exams each. So if you take one, it counts as 2, because this is a real lengthy exam and it reflects the real exam. Otherwise, at home, if you can't download these, you do the concept review exams. Okay? And that's all that's required of you for you to take the exams. When you start the exam, then you're going to have directions on how to do it and how to save it and everything. I'm requiring 9 exams done for the first marking period. Okay, thank you.